Yeah, we're looking at the following exercise questions. Just like a review, we've already discussed all of this. For the first case, we have integrate the following. This is integral sine, sine 7x cos 2x, okay, dx. This is very straightforward. When you have a product of sine and cosine, it's going to be half into brackets sine this one plus this one. That's 9x plus sine this one, 7x minus this. That's 5x. Okay, then you can put your integral. Okay, so dx. So that's that on this. Okay, so when you have a product of sine and cos, it's going to be additions of sine. Okay, and one of our videos on factor formulae has really explained that. Please check that video. So this will be equal to integral of this, which is equal to half. Integral of sine is minus cos 9x. Then you divide by the attachment to the variable 1 over 9. Okay? Then plus derivative of this one of sine is minus, so that's a minus here, is minus, okay, cos 5x, and don't forget the half here, half, and then you divide by the attachment to the variable 1 over 5 plus c. That's all, and that will give us 1 over 18, this one, 2 times 9, minus cos 9x, and then minus 1 over 10 cos 5x plus c. So that's that. Then the second one is a product of sine. Product of sine. Yep. Product of sine. We have two options to do that. This will be equal to half minus half into brackets sine. No, when you have product of sine, it's going to be cos. It's going to be cos. This one, 7x minus 5x, that's 2x. And then minus cos. No, the first one, if I'm using minus, the first one will be 7x plus 5x, that's 12x. Then the next one, 7x minus 5x, that's what? That's 2x. Okay? Then you could use your integral to that. Okay? And that will be equal to derivative of integral of cos is sine 12x. Okay, and then you divide by the attachment to the variable 1 over 12, and there is 1 over 2 outside minus 1 over 2 times. Here also, this minus outside, so that comes plus half. Okay, then integral of cos is sine 2x. Then you divide by the attachment to the variable times 1 over 2 plus c. So that's that on that question. Okay. Another way you can do it is to, when you have a product of sine, what do you call it, 7x, sine 5x, it will be half into brackets cos. Subtraction can come forward first. 7x minus 5x. Okay, then minus cos 7x plus 5x. That's 12x. Okay, so these are the two options, two ways you can solve it. Okay, and that will be equal to what? This will be give you cos 2x here, and the integral of that is sine 2x. Then 1 over 2. You divide by this, and then there is a half here, 1 over 2. So that's 1 over 4 sine 2x. Check that one also. 1 over 4. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. I mean here. You can see here. That's 1 over 4 sine 2x. Then the other one minus. Integral of cos here is sine 12x. Divided by the attachment to the variable 1 over 12, and that's 1 over 2 outside. So 1 over 2 times this. So that's minus 1 over 24 sine 12x plus c. Check that one also. That's that. 2 times 12. That's 1 over 24 plus c. So that will take us to question 3. When you have a product of cosine, cosine. So it's going to give you a sum of sine. So which will be, you have integral of cos 5x, cos 6x. Okay, this will give you this. This will give you half into brackets cos 5x plus 6x, 11x, then plus sine 5x minus this minus 6. That's what 5x minus this, that's cos minus x. Okay, yeah, and don't forget that cos minus x is the same thing as, yeah, cos minus x is the same thing as cos x. So we don't have to bother ourselves. Cos minus x is the same thing as cos x. Okay, cos of negative function is positive. So this will be equal to, put your integral here, and then you now have integral of cos 11, that will be sine 11x. Then don't forget to divide by that 11, and that is half here. Okay, then this will give you plus sine what? Sine x. Then integral of 1 over 2 is here, 1 over 2 plus c. So that's that on that question. That's that on that question. Then we go to question, this is done, this is done, this is done. Then we go to question 4. Integral of cos to the power 6x sine to the power this. We said in the intro to this aspect that when you have odd function, you go for the one that has even function. You substitute for the base of that even function. You substitute for the base of the even function. So let u be equal to cos x. And I've told us that we can substitute for any one of them. The only thing is just to know how to play with cos square x plus sine square x equal to 1. Just know how to play with that. So the u will be equal to what? Sine x minus sine x dx. Okay? Then, in that case now, we now have the u over minus sine x equal to what? Dx. So u is cos x, so I'm having integral u to the power 6, okay, and then sine 5x. Then the x is what? The u over minus sine x. So this one, so we have u6 sine 4x du. Don't forget the minus here, so integral of minus outside. Okay, so the target now is to turn everything in form of u. Okay, and this will be equal to minus integral of u to the power 6. This one, u4, will be sine square x squared. So that will be what u4 du, which will be equal to minus u6. This one will give us 1 minus what? 1 minus cos square x square du. Okay, so the next thing to do now, this one, cos is u, cos x is u, so I'm having minus integral of what? u6 into bracket 1 minus what? U square, then that u. So the next thing to do is to do the expansion. Integral the u6, open the bracket, u6 minus u6 u2, that's u12. Yeah, this one, u6 times u2. That's all. We have u6 dot u2, that's u8. That's u8. That's u8. Okay. by using indices. The u. So this will be equal to u7. Integral of that u7 over 7. The minus is outside. The minus u9 over 9. Integral of this one. Okay. Plus c. Open the bracket, so that minus u1 over 7, u7 plus 1 over 9, u9 plus c. Then we can return the u. Our u is what? Our u is cos x. So minus 1 over 7 cos 7x plus 1 over 9 cos 9x plus c. So that's the last one. Integral of 2 pi 0 sine 5x cos 3x. Okay, dx. So this is what we have. So what we do, we've said that when you have a product of sine and cos, it's going to be sum of sine, okay, and that will be equal to half into brackets sine this one plus this one, that's 8x, then plus sine 5x minus this, that's 2x. Okay, your integral, it takes, that's 2x. I'm going to do it straight away now. So integral of this now is going to be minus cos 8x. Okay, then you have to divide. I don't know, this will be equal to minus 1 over 8 is here. Okay, and then times the half outside. Okay, then this one also, integral of cos here is minus times the plus here, then half outside times, we have to divide by this one also, 1 over 2, and then cos 2x. Then your substitution, 2 pi 0. So this is equal to minus 1 over 16 cos 8x minus 1 over 4 cos 2x. Okay, 2 pi 0. So let's substitute now. 2 pi, that will be equal to minus 1 over 16 cos 8 times 2 pi, that's 16 pi. 16 pi. Then minus 1 over 4, minus 1 over 4 cos. This will give me cos 4 pi. Then minus, open your brackets. Again, do the same thing. Minus 1 over 16. 2 times, that's 0. That's a cos 0. Cos 0, then minus 1 over 4. Cos 0, that's 1. Yeah, this also cos 0. So that's that. Then let's now get the change your calculator to radian. That's 4, okay. Cos 16. I'm having minus 1 over 16 here. Cos 16 pi is 1, so I'm having minus 1 over 16 here. Minus cos 4 pi, let's check that. Cos 4 pi is also 1 too, minus 1 over 4. Then minus, we can open this bracket. This is minus times minus, that's plus 1 over 16. Minus times minus, that's plus 1 over 4. So this one cancels out. That's 0. It's 0, that's all we got. If there's no mistakes, that's all we got. Okay, so we just have to check that. Let's quickly review that. We know that when you have product of sine cos, there will be additions of sine. Sine, this one plus this one, 8, plus this one minus this, that's 2x, have to be outside. The integral of this is cos 8x minus cos, divided by the 1 over 8, and then times the 1 outside. Integral of cos here minus also, okay, cos 2x divided by 1 over 2, that's correct also. Yeah, I think we are good. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, very good. Very good. Then this one here, good. 1 over 4, excellent. Excellent. Then the next thing to do now is to substitute. 2 times 8 times 2 pi, that's 16 pi. Minus 1 over 4 pi. Then minus 0. That will be minus 1 over 6. Minus 1 over 16 cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. we have minus 1 over 16. Here also, cos 4 pi, cos 0 also is also 0, we have 1 over 4. So cos 16 pi is 1, cos 4 pi is also 1, okay? We have that. So it's 0. So that's that on that. Question 5, we have integral of this cos x dx. So I've told us that this, you can solve it for anyone you like. Okay, anyone can solve it for that. So I think we should go for this one that have the radical. So that will be u is equal to sine x. So du is equal to what? Cos x dx. Okay, so du over cos x equal to what? Dx. Okay, so that will be equal to integral u half then times cos x then times dx is what? Du over cos x. Okay, then this one will cancel out. You just have u half du. So that will be equal to what? U, if you integrate this one, that will be 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, which is 2 over 3 plus what? Plus c. Then return your, what do you call it? That's 2 over 3. What do you call it? Return your u back. That's a sine x over 3 over 2 plus c. So that's that. I finished that. So that's that on these aspects. Okay. So join the next video on integration by parts. Okay. So this channel is channel you can have any topic. It will be in detail, not in fragments. If you check, all the topics will be going through in this channel. That's been detailed topics. Okay, a lot of questions. Okay, so this is one of the best channel to subscribe to. If you have not subscribed, please quickly do that right now, so that as we upload, you get notified. Thank you for doing so.